Welcome or welcome back on WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host, and I do have the pleasure to show you some of the ROLEX 2020 novelties and one of the watches you're going to see now. It's not a technical review I'm doing. Everything is being said on the ROLEX website. Everything is known about the watch because it's not a new watch, it's the Sky-Dweller, but it is presented now on the Oysterflex rubber strap. We will see some interesting details how ROLEX was able to even improve a simple rubber strap by adding some cushions that will give a little bit of space in between your skin and the rubber when you're wearing it, adding some fresh air so it's not getting sticky or you're not sweating underneath. And the watch is still the same. It features an annual calendar, features a second zone time indication, perfect readability, it's 100-meter waterproof, it's 42 millimeters of size, so nothing changed. But the new Oysterflex that was presented first in 2015 on the Yachtmaster now is replacing all the leather straps. No more leather options from now on, so I am happy to show you the new Oysterflex bracelet.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
If you do so, you have the chance to win the brand new iPhone 12 Pro. The happy winner will be announced in the community section tab January 2021. Good luck.
On my wrists now, the new Sky-Dweller with the Oysterflex strap. Perfectly manufactured, high-tech caoutchouc strap. The Sky-Dweller watch itself is not new. We know the watch with its indication of a second zone time. Don't say time zone because here we are in Geneva in the time zone of Paris. But the zone time is UTC +1 or +2, depending if it is summertime or wintertime. So the zone time is UTC +1. And the time zone is called Paris, so that's a little difference. You can see the red dot appearing at 9 o'clock. This is the month. It is also an annual calendar, so you don't need to do any adjustment for the entire year. Only end of February adjustments have to be done with the watch. We do have on the dial the second zone time indicator, the date, and of course the local time on the dial, but nothing has changed. So this is the Sky-Dweller as you know it and as you have been able to buy it, but now with the new Oysterflex rubber strap and that beautiful clasp. I will take it off and show it in some details, but this is how the watch looks like on my wrist. So this is the inner side of the Oysterflex bracelet with its cushions. This rubber strap is going to replace all the leather straps on the Sky-Dweller. So it will no longer be available on leather, but only here on rubber. And you see those cushions. I will zoom in, and what they are doing is they're giving some air in between the rubber and your skin, so it is breathing and you don't get that sticky feeling that you are sweating. And these cushions are stabilizing perfectly, like some shock absorbers. You can see there are two of them, and they really make this difference when you are putting this rubber strap on your wrists. And of course, also here you have the Glidelock system, as I've been showing it in the video of the Submariner. So you have the possibility to adjust the length in the clasp all the way forward and backward. You see Glidelock, you glide and lock, that's the name of the thing. Folding clasp, yes. Closed case bottom as always. The crown on the bezel, you see it now from the side. You can see those cushions here, and they are really made to stabilize the watch on your wrist and to give it the possibility that you are not sweating and you don't get a sticky feeling due to the caoutchouc being fitted on your wrist. And clearly you can see on the dial the functions of the Sky-Dweller, indicating a second zone time, having the indication of the month. They use the little red points, dots on the hour markers, on the outside of the hour markers to indicate the month. 12 hours, 12 months, so it's easy. Actually, we do have a little red dot at the position of 9 o'clock showing that it is September, and we have the 2nd of September. And yeah, a watch for traveling. If you are traveling and you need the indication of a second zone time. And now, as I said before, available with the new Oysterflex rubber strap that has been introduced in 2015 on the Yachtmaster. There you go. And I have to say, Rolex is the only one having this wonderful construction with that cushion here. I would say with the rubber strap, it's incredible. That's really a comfort wearing it. It doesn't move. It has some special fittings that puts the watch in a very smooth way on your wrist, and also gives the possibility that it breathes a little bit, so it's not really getting sticky underneath. Sky-Dweller, the new version. So thanks for watching my little presentation of the Sky-Dweller in yellow gold, 42 millimeters with the new Oysterflex. And yeah, comments are welcome as always. And yep, if you have questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.